It's Drapefit time, so if you want to see what they sent me and how it looks on, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's not feeling well, so she's hanging out. And you just saw Bandit walk behind me. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So today I have a little bundle from Drapefit. So they are a stylist subscription service with less expensive prices than some of the other brands. However, not really the same kind of name brands. Now, every now and then I do get something name brand, but not usually. Like I'll get H&M or what did I get? I did get a cut from the cloth, so you never know. But here is a little sneak peek of what I have, and I don't know, kind of giving me spring vibes. So there is a bag to send everything back, and the one thing about their stylist fee is that you do not get that back. So understand that it's $10 if you don't get anything, or if you do, that doesn't take it off of that. I do have a code down below that's going to get you a little money off of your first box. Now, I do get this for $1 instead of the $10, and they do give me a $20 gift card for whatever I might want to purchase. So, but I'm always going to give you my honest reviews. And here's the little envelope that comes with it. In here is my gift card and some information about Drapefit, free shipping and returns. If you keep everything in the box, you do save up to 25%. And we have our price list and a note from my stylist, which I believe is Paulette. Yes, Paulette. So she is my stylist, and she picked some tops to go with some pants in. All right, so we have this little top, and I'm not nuts about the material. The brand is Lomon, Lomon. Next by Ninawu. There's the tag. We have this light blue top. Now this I am a fan of. I do like this. This is more my style. By Vine and Love. We have this little silky top. It does look quite a bit big for me, but this is in a medium. By Lee, we have some pants, and I do like these. And by SPLA, we have a dress, and that's cute. I don't know that I actually have anywhere to wear a dress like this, but it is cute. It's definitely more of a spring weight. All right, I'm going to go try these on, and I will be right back. I am back, and I know it's kind of hard to see with this little table, but here is that first dress. It does have pockets. It's a great color, and it's very comfortable. Definitely more of a spring or summer weight, but I do like it. I like the sleeves, and I like that it is a faux wrap, but it also isn't like really low cut. Like you could actually get away with nothing underneath of it. I wouldn't probably be comfortable, but you could. This is the floral print wrap dress in a size 10, teal blue, $34.14. Now I will tell you the most expensive thing in this box is $35.99, and the total for everything in this box is $157.12 minus the 25% discount brings it to $117.84, and then taking off that additional $20 would bring it down to just under $100. But you know, there are probably things that I'm not going to get. I'm really leaning towards that blue shirt, although I haven't seen it on. This is really cute. I just don't know about my need level for it, but it is adorable. My daughter might love it. All right, let's try on something else. All right, so I have on this leafy print shirt, and I actually like it a lot better on than I did off. And yeah, the material's not bad. It's not as, that was kind of that silky, but it's not. It's more of a cottony feel. This is the V-neck short sleeve pleated top in its size 10 for $28.50, and the pants, which I'll show you in a minute, are the mid-rise relaxed straight leg pants in a size 12, $29.99. So here is the fit. It comes, my belly button is here, so it comes about this much above my belly button. I'll get closer so you can see about that much above. So belly button's here, it's here, and it does have some regular pockets and the back pockets. All right, let's get something else on. All right, so I'm back, same pants, no change in the pants. These are the only pants they sent me. And I have that little blue top on, beautiful color. This is the V-neck puff short sleeve top, $28.50. It's not a big puff up here, it's a little bit more down there. Oh, it's so hot today. It is Halloween when I'm filming. It is almost 80 degrees here in New England. That's warm. All right, I have one more top to try on for you, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back in that last top. So I do want to show you, like, without it tucked in, it is a little bit long for me, coming all the way down there. I can definitely see this going really nicely with like some black slacks and, you know, maybe a jacket or something. Like, it definitely would go nice with that. It would definitely have to be tucked in. I'm just gonna like tuck in the front though. But I would probably tuck in the entire shirt because I wouldn't leave that, like, it just is a little weird. And this is the V-neck roll top, it's roll sleeve. All right, so it's got that roll sleeve top, size 10. It says large, but on the tag it says medium, and white, $35.99. So this is the most expensive thing in the box. I really like the three tops that they sent. The pants, I don't know, the fit just isn't right for me, which is too bad because I could definitely use a pair of pants like this, but they just feel like big here. They're, I don't know, I keep pulling them up to kind of avoid that in there. And then they look like they pull here, but like they're also kind of loose. So I'm not really sure about that. But I definitely love the three tops. So I'll have to decide what I'm going to keep. And Paulette, better and better every time. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite article of clothing? The dress, not crazy about. I like it, but the pants, not crazy about. So I'll have to decide which of the tops I'm going to keep. All right, well, thank you for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.